In this video, I will show you how to print emails in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, first of all, what you want to do is you want to log into your Gmail account. Once that's done, you want to find the email which you want to print. So let's choose this email. And to print this email, we're going to come to the top icon here that says print all. We'll click that. Now, once we click on print all, you see this pop up here that shows you how you want the layout of your pages to be. You choose this for portrait or landscape, and you choose all of it, leave it as a PDF. And when you come to more settings, this is where you choose the paper size, paper per sheet, and right here where you see print using system dialog, this is where you're going to click, and this is where you're going to choose your printer. You're going to add a printer here, add some presets, and once you're done, this will be enabled, and you click on print, and it's going to print out all the pages of your email. Now that's how you print an email in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.